Hey guys, this is the Allinator coming at you, and unfortunately I don't have any CNC videos for you right now, but I decided to start a new project because I have Project ADD, and this project is restoring an arcade cabinet. So here it is, the Karate Champ. I have it stripped off the Formica, and now this project is going to take care of this TV. You can see that it has bad burn-in. You can almost see it is the Karate Champ. The clouds and the high score. High score is even burned in there. So what I'm going to do is take this TV out, and I'm going to replace it with this TV that I got from a thrift store for 10 bucks. So I've already exploded the internals here to let you see what it's like. If you've ever seen the inside of a tube TV, this is what it looks like. You have the control board, and this wire is very dangerous. Don't ever touch it unless you know what you're doing. But this is the suction cup that carries the high voltage. It's called the anode. And I made a makeshift discharging tool here. It's just a piece of wire wrapped around a screwdriver. And you ground the other end of this to the chassis, and then you stick the screwdriver underneath this suction cup to discharge, because the tube TV acts like a big capacitor. And here you have the neck board. This goes on the end of this neck right here. And what else we have here? Basically the ground wire. So looking at the tube, here you have this part right here is called the yoke. This part, and it has two wires for the horizontal deflection and two wires for the vertical deflection. And this is basically the ground wire. It has a ground strap that goes all the way around it. And this is another wire that goes in a figure 8 pattern around it. It's the degausser. And make sure you have the correct color. So basically all there is to it, you just plug into the neck board here. You have your yoke wires and your ground and your degausser. And that's it. Anywho, just wanted to share. Alright, thanks.